This treasure is only for Claire. Her smile, huge when they go to fair. Oh my gosh, I'm shaking. She loves him deeply, that's for sure. Clean, shaggy hair covered in manure. Only our Father above has known a horse more loved. His big ears and all. In him Claire sees no flaws. In his past he was a reject. But in Claire's eyes he's perfect. He's not the best show horse, but Claire doesn't mind, of course. He sees her ride him, makes everyone smile, and she has such skill, grace, and style. As a rider, you have sure grown. Romeo is now your very own. Aww.